Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Mulit-Lift shown for use in the interior of an RV, in this case to access the bathroom. The Mulit-Lift has a mount in the rear here, but it also has a mount in the front of the RV to allow you to get into and out of the vehicle. So the very flexible Mulit-Lift system can be used in a whole bunch of different environments, such as in your bedroom and bathroom at home, to lift a wheelchair into the back of your van or your pickup truck, to get you into and out of a swimming pool or a hot tub, or again in this location within your RV. So let's give it a try, show you how it's done. So lots of different joints on the system here. You can simply just guide the user into the bathroom. We can do toilet. Exit. And back onto the wheelchair. With different configurations, we can also access the shower or in the rear of the vehicle. So let's show you a little bit how the mounting system works. So we're going to back the wheelchair up here. Give you a sense of how the system works. Come on in. So looking at it from the back, we have multiple extensions. And Access Unlimited's design team will actually look at your RV, get measurements, and build this system specifically for you. Now, your configuration will probably be different, but they all have in common that they have extensions, and they're all put in the exact right order. You'll notice that there are locking pins here for safety to make sure that the lift can't come off. And this is a custom mounting system here that was designed for this particular RV. It's what we call a floor-to-ceiling pole mount. So let's have a look at some of the details here. It's actually a very, very strong system. Ties into ceiling tile, cross members, cabinets, whatever we've got here. Each system is tested to bear the load that is required. So again, what you may get may be totally different from this, but this is an idea. We're mounted into the floor down here. And again, this is a floor to ceiling pole mount. We have wall mounts, all kinds of different configurations. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please check out the videos in the notes field down below. It'll give you more complete sense of how the system works. Thanks for taking the time. Have a great day, and let's get out there and hit the road.